If you want to be rich, stop hitting snooze. Seriously, the wealthy have one thing in common. They win the morning before the world even wakes up. Today, I'm sharing the 10 morning habits that made me a millionaire before I turned 30 and how you can start doing them tomorrow. Let's go. 1. Wake up before 6 a.m. When I was 22, I thought mornings were for sleeping in. But then I noticed something. My mentor, the guy running 3 successful companies, was always awake by 5:30 a.m. When I started doing the same, I suddenly had 3 extra hours before most people even rolled out of bed. That's when I worked on side hustles, learned new skills, and made moves that set me apart. 2. No phone for the first hour. I used to grab my phone the second I woke up, Instagram, news, emails, and boom, my mind was already overloaded. So I stopped. First hour, no phone. Just me, my thoughts, and my goals. My focus and creativity went through the roof. 3. Drink water with lemon. Here's the thing, your brain is dehydrated when you wake up. Coffee can wait. I started with a glass of water with lemon every morning, and my energy, digestion, and even my skin improved. Small habit, big results. 4. 20 minutes of exercise. I'm not saying you need to hit the gym for 2 hours, but 20 minutes of jogging, push-ups, or yoga changes everything. Richard Branson swears by morning workouts, and I can confirm it gets your brain and body fired up for the day. 5. Read 10 pages of a business or mindset book. 10 pages a day doesn't sound like much until you realize that's 15 books a year. I learned sales, negotiation, leadership before breakfast. And yes, some of those ideas made me money later. 6. Plan your day. Top 3 tasks only. Millionaires don't try to do everything. They do the most important things. Every morning, I wrote my top 3 tasks. If I got those done, the day was a win. 7. Practice gratitude. When I started my gratitude journal, I was broke, but writing down 3 things I was grateful for every morning changed my mindset. It made me see opportunities instead of problems, and that's a game changer. 8. Review financial goals daily. Every morning, I'd look at my income target and savings goal. Seeing those numbers daily kept me disciplined. It's like having a GPS for your money. 9. Spend 5 minutes visualizing your future. I'd literally close my eyes and imagine signing a big deal, traveling first class, or hitting my dream income. It kept my motivation alive, even when things were hard. 10. Tackle the hardest task first. This one's huge. Do the hardest thing in the morning, before emails, before calls, before anything else. Brian Tracy calls it eating the frog, and trust me, it's the fastest way to make real progress. The difference between rich and poor isn't money, it's habits. Start your mornings like a millionaire, and your life will follow. Now, which one of these habits are you starting?